Okay guys, today I want to talk about this drill. It's made of from DeWalt, and this costs around $60. So it comes with one battery, charger, and the drill itself. So this is what it looks like. My friend recommended this for me. He does computers, so he doesn't use this drill. He said it's too big, and he likes more this one better. So this is the button, has a better identification. It's like your hand. So you know, if you use a screwdriver, you have to twist. You know, this one, no, you press a button and you and then screws it. So I'm gonna show you how it works and if it's worth it to get it, and how powerful it is. So give me a second, let me put the battery in. Okay, so I installed the battery in and put the bit inside, and so this is how it works. There's a button right here, you press on it, and where you want to go, you twist it the opposite way, like you tilt it a little bit, you know. My friend does computers, and when he needs to unscrew the screen or something, or he goes like this and then screws it. For him it's good because it's small and compact. This one he's not going to carry around because it's too big, and it's very strong. So I'm going to demonstrate a little bit of how it works. Okay, here I'm at the outlet, and if I want to unscrew it, and that's it. Take this blade out, and it has a LED. I have to change the bit, give me a second. Okay, so I changed the bit and I want to unscrew it. The faster you tilt down, the faster it's gonna go, and it's out. Just like that. And then when you want to screw back in, yep, and there. So it's not that powerful to do, you know, like receptacles and stuff, but this is all receptacle, and the screw is gone already. And that's it. So let me go to the table. So this is what you get, you know. It's actually not bad what you pay for, but has the LED indication. I have this, I use this Makita. See, it's too fast. When you want to unscrew something, there's no speed, you know. So this is what it is. I bought this from Amazon Prime for $60. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and subscribe.